Alright, everybody. Welcome to Iman channel again. It's original Kountry Boi. And yeah, I know right now I'm looking swaggish. Look at my shirt, by the way. Big up to Gully Visionary in this video because of him create a shirt here. Young, black, and free-ish. Yeah, man. Iman young, Iman is black, and Iman is free-ish. So yeah, man, people. You don't know if I don't see Kountry Boi, I go on with beer things. But guess what? This probably be the shortest video I ever make in a while. Cause you see, me just again a little peep of what my day was like yesterday. Because yesterday I was doing so much work, yo, me not even get no time for vlog. And then me I said, no man, me can't left out my people them. So guess what, people? Me I go show you a little piece of how my work they do, because today a rest day for me. Easy on a Monday evening, sunny day. Yeah man, because yesterday was a busy Sunday for me, but besides doing this I never get to catch every single thing. But guess what? Me I go show you why I praise it. So yeah man, me taking it to the site on the flip. Alright, so everybody, welcome to my beautiful hard work from yesterday. Yeah man, you know you probably wonder what you're looking at right now, but this is known as lumber. Look at it. Nice. So yesterday, me, my dad and some other people, you know, was working hard at gathering these together because lumber is a big thing in Jamaica. What type of lumber this is, you might wonder? This is one of the most expensive lumber in Jamaica, and it's come from this beautiful tree right here called cedar tree. Just so you can know more about it, let me tell you a little bit more about the cedar tree. The varieties of cedar trees that exist all around the world is vast. The most common type found in the Caribbean though is the Spanish cedar. The scientific name for the Spanish cedar is Cedrela autorita. This tree is produced commercially for the use of furniture making. The wood is similar to mahogany and is naturally resistant to rot, insects and termites, hence why it is a commercially important species of tree in the Chinaberry family Meliaceae. This tree can reach great heights, and cedar trees require well-drained soil as they are natively found in areas with high rainfall, but do not cope well with wet roots. However, as long as the soil is well draining, then cedars will strive. Alright, I hope all of y'all definitely had learned a lot from what I just showed you about the cedar tree. Now, let me show you a little bit more about what my Sunday yesterday was like. Let's look at that. Yeah man, so we use this for the woodwork man, them comfy, because You see these pretty wood, them use it to make nice furniture and so on, like your bed frame, your living room chair. Yeah man, all of them something that they use it to make it, alright? Yeah man. And then you have a next little after product what come from all that cutting called sawdust. You know, so everybody would have must know this. You know what you can use this for? You can use it for put in your garden, make it dirt nice and sing ting. And also if you have a fowl coop, it's nice to like put on the floor for your chicken, so while them asleep it can be warm. You see me? So yeah, man, this is a great thing, man. So yeah, that a go on, people. Alright, so everybody, I hope you definitely enjoyed this video, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you again. Yeah man, blessed. Bang bang.